Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Ari, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna talk with you about 5 habits that changed my life forever. There are so many things that can rule our life. If we just wake up early and we don't feel ourselves very fresh, we don't have enough power, maybe we have to change something. And I know many people who have very bad habits that destroy their life. So let's talk about these 5 advices that can help you in your future. So the first one is short and long plan. And for me, this is a main habit in my life, because after I wrote all my goals and plans, like to-do list for every day, sometimes started to have. And many people never think about next month or maybe next year or next 5 years. And I was one of them. Finished my school, then I started to go to university and finished it as well. And nothing happened because my life wasn't unusual, because I did what people usually do. I didn't have any plans after school or university, because there was just one thing in my mind. Maybe sometimes I will be the best movie director the world ever seen. But besides this, I didn't have anything. It was just things in my mind, but I never wrote like any goals or any plans in my life. And I remember this summer when I found a book about Benjamin Franklin, and after I read this book, everything started to change. Benjamin Franklin was a very smart guy who moved from Boston to Philadelphia and started his business because he tried to get some food, some money, because he was just alone. And he wrote many advices to his son in his autobiography called Autobiography of Benjamin Franklin. And one of the most advice was about plan, like how to plan your life, how to make a goal on your life. And for me, this lesson was very important. So now I can believe that if you write your goal for short and long period of time, you can change everything around you. Because after you do this, you will learn and you will understand where are you going right now and what's your plan for this life. Okay, the second habit follows from the first one. If you already know your plan for next 1 or 2, maybe 5 years, it's better time to separate this long time for short parts. And if we have just 1 year until deadline of our goals, it means that we have 12 months with 4 weeks in every month. And if you can cut this line, now it looks more realistic, because now you can see your progress. This habit is very important, because if you want to make $10,000 every month, so it means you have to make 2,500 every week, right? So this habit is about move step by step. Even you don't get your 10,000, you will be more closer than you were yesterday, and I think it's very important. And how many people you know who go sleep very late and they wake up very late and they don't have enough power? That's why they try to find some sugar to make themselves very fresh again. And after the night they look like zombie. I think you know what I mean, right? Because I have 2 circles under my eyes. It's like blue and green color. It's my bad. But I have to try to change something. This habit is very important. And if you exactly this guy who can spend all your night for gaming, for talking with friends, or maybe you smoke weed or just drinking, and whatever you do, it won't continue a long time. But if you sleep well, if you go to sleep and wake up at the same time, your body feels better. And tell me, friend, how much time you were angry in the middle of night when you tried to fix your problem, maybe with your girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever, but after the night you felt much productive. So now you can break with your girlfriend even you couldn't do it yesterday, right? So go to sleep early, wake up early, and start your day with clean list. Let's go to the next one. The next one is gym and exercises. There is no another habit that can make you feel better. As a consistent son, gym or different sport can change a chemistry in your mind. In our history, the most of years, human was just a killer or maybe just a sportsman, because we try to get some food or maybe don't be breakfast for someone else. And yes, of course, now is everything different, because we don't have enough money to buy some food, like watch Netflix before we go to sleep, and that's why we became so lazy right now. If you have money, you can buy everything on this planet. But if you think that you need much energy to start this day, if just 1 cup of coffee is not enough for you, it's time to add new habit, as a sport, as a gym, as any of exercise. And I never feel better that at the time when I went to gym and played football, because in Russia I did it a lot, but now everything it's not working now, I mean. And yeah, you can tell me like, hey Ari, what are you talking about? You try to add new habits in my life, but you don't go to gym, you're just sitting in your room, right? And yes, I can agree with you, because that's why I'm recording this video. I try to add new habits every week. So now I just wake up early, now I have new habit like reading, here maybe, and next week I will add something else, like gym, because it's close everywhere. And I don't want to do it on the street. I don't know why, I just don't want it. And if you feel something like that, and maybe if you had the same problem, please tell me, how can I go outside and just take a stone and try to use everything around. And finally, number 5, don't procrastinate. And of course, it's very famous and usual situation on this planet. And yeah, this is very famous and typical situation in our life, because everyone on this planet can feel something like that, when we need to do something important but we can't start. Why? Nobody knows, because we're just lazy. And tell me, my friend, how much time you didn't do what you should to do, and how much time you started to do it at the last moment, feeling very bad, energy and stress. And like I said you a few seconds ago, everyone on this planet feels the same, and it's time to stop it forever. So okay, if you ever heard about Brian Tracy, he has very good advices for lazy people as me, and the general idea is to eat a frog. And it sounds very strange, like what should I do, just eat a frog? Why? But no, Brian Tracy means that we need to start our day with main problem in this day. And for example, I have tons of video that I have edited until this week, because if I wouldn't do it, everything gonna be very bad for me. So the idea is just wake up early, start your day with your frog, like eat your frog because you don't like it, but after you finish it, you will have enough time to other things. And Brian Tracy is a very smart guy, because he's already understood that we have a lot of things we should to do, and even we move the thing at the beginning, at the middle of, at the end of this day, you have to do it in any case. That's why it's so important to complete your task as early as you can. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video, because for me it was very hard to speak English all this time. And I hope you will add some edits from this video in your life as soon as you can. So if you liked everything, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, put your thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye. Всем пока. Всем пока.